Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD, Part Design, and Part Workbenches. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body or the container is inserted automatically. We finalize this 3D solid part with different FreeCAD tools in 3 steps. In step 1, we sketch the center profile on XZ plane and we create a face with the help of the Park Workbench Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. First, we create half of the pipe and mirror it later. Next, switch to Part Workbench. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 317.5 millimeters. We created a face in Y direction. Next, we create a plane on the upper face. Activate the Plane tool and then select the upper face. Now select the plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Convert these 2 reference edges into construction lines. Sketch a circle with a radius of 125 millimeters and constrain it tangential to the construction lines. Hide the face and then remove unnecessary curve with the Trim tool. Now, sketch 2 additional lines to complete the sketch. Everything is green means the sketch is full constrained. Select both the Extrude and the sketch and then activate the Slice Apart tool. Now, we have 2 faces. Hide Slice 1. Next, we sketch a circle with a radius of 38 millimeters on YZ plane. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Now select the sketch and then activate the Sweep tool. First, select and move Sketch 002 to the right side. Next, activate the Sweep Path button and then select the edges of the faces. At the end, press the Done and OK buttons. Now, we have half of the pipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we mirror the created half pipe about the XZ plane. Select the Sweep from the tree and then activate the Mirror tool. Click OK to confirm. You can merge both parts with the Union tool. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the 3D part. First, select the material. Click this icon and select the proper texture from your folder. You can download such textures from internet. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.